So, a few weeks ago, Ashakan uploaded a video saying TikTok is weird. Well, it isn't. The one thing about social media is what you are looking for. So, one thing about social media is that you get what to search for. Social media doesn't bring out random things. So, is TikTok a weird place or is the user the weird one? Looking at Ashakan's feed, is that TikTok? What does he have here? Let's see. I want to see this. Let's see. Okay, what else? Okay. One thing. Note number one. What's on his feet? Dick, boobs. Okay, let's see what else. More boobs. Ass. Boobs again. So, and knowing one thing about social media is that you get what you search for on all other platforms. So, I'm not really sure if TikTok is the weird place or it's Ashakan's search history that is weird. So, I'm going to prove it to you later. I'm going to show you my own TikTok feed. You know, I don't even know why I did that. I'm going to show you my own TikTok feed right now. Okay. Football. When you want me, I'm in fancy. Okay, church stuff, military stuff. What is this? Oh, see me trying to prove that TikTok is not weird, and they put this. I'm not by me. You are already. Football. Chinese and not military. See, these are mostly things I search for: dance, football, military stuff, and that's what I'm getting. But so compare my own YouTube feed. So I can't YouTube feed. We have boobs, ass, boobs, dick. And then we have football, military, dance. You see? So TikTok is not really the weird place. I can't search history. It's the weird place. Let's see more TikTok feeds. Oh God. I'm trying to prove something here. That TikTok is all weird. And this one, so what was this? What was this? Under 18. Who was born? Oh shit. Like, you see, like, okay, so you see what I'm saying? Your search history determines what you get, what TikTok feeds you. Even Instagram and IG and everything, your search history determines. So what have you been looking for? Ashakan, let's say the truth. Let's be honest with ourselves. What are you searching for? Asha, between me and you, what is your search history on TikTok? Or who are you? Another thing is, who are you following? You look, your For You page are similar things to what you follow. So who are you following? Let's see this. I love photography, man. This stuff is dope. Okay, yeah. I know this food, this channel, they have weird stuff, so I don't know. I just said only that channel, but you can say I'm not really getting a lot of boobs and ass recommendations on my For You page and my following page compared to Asha. So you can see that TikTok might not be the weird place here. It might be Ashakan. And Ashakan, if you're watching this video, please give me a shout out. I love your videos very much. So get back to what I'm saying. So basically what I will be saying for the past I don't know how many minutes is that TikTok is not necessarily a weird place. The user might be the weird one. Asha, stop searching for boobs. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, follow me, everything.